What is good, guys? Uh, Welcome to day 244 of backtesting every single day until I'm profitable. Today is the last day of the year, so this is New Year's edition. So I hope you enjoy this stream to whoever is watching and have a great year ahead. So without delay, we should just get into the session. Right, so where is the date thing? Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's 11:17 p.m. December 31st, 2025. So let's get going with the episode. And we will be doing this inversion models from 2020 and 20. Wait, is it 20? Yeah, it's just 2020, nothing else. Yeah, so we'll be doing the inversion models from 2020. Okay, so let's get into the session. I will be doing this inversion model 2020. So, well, I'm not that rich yet to go partying, but since all of my money is blown with these trading accounts and stuff, I might as well spend the New Year's Eve backtesting. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't hurt. Well, at least I think so. So without delay, let's just get going. Okay, so price is dropping as of now, that's what I can see, and we have some sell side targets, like probably to this low here and this low here. So I think price might hit them, even though it has already moved too much. It has already moved close to 300 points, so I might be skeptical about shorting it, but it will depend on the opportunities they will present, because as of now it's rejecting the 1 hour gap. So we can see what we can do with it. Let's just wait for the 9:30 opening. So 9:30 opens and shoots higher into a 15-minute. Okay, and we're having a very good 15-minute rejection. I'd like to see the 2-minute inverse it, which it fails to do so. So this shows me that price might be about to go higher instead. So I'll look for any confluences that I could use to take longs here. Let's wait for the new hourly open. So new hour has opened. Checking the 4 hour, we are having a very good movement to the upside. Retracement into the gap, like an SMT here. So I might as well take some longs at this inversion, or just wait. Okay, looks like price doesn't want to go any lower than this low here, so I might take trades off of this thing right here. Okay, so we can take longs to these highs, and these ones. Let's see, this is lowest hanging fruit, obviously. It would be like a 1-to-1 trade targeting here, but I think you can target these highs and these ones here as well. Let's see if we have clear withdrawals on liquidity. Like, I think maybe this high here would also be great, but I'm not confident in this trade because this low here hasn't been run, so ES has an advantage. It's 536, giving us around 14 micros. So stop will be at the low here and take profit at the high. Now let's just sit and wait for us to get stopped out or to make something. Okay, this is a crazy retracement. Looks like we're about to get topped out. We should close at break even here because this was the lowest hanging fruit. Okay, crazy moves. Now we have a full retracement into the 15-minute. If we could reject here, I would have longed it. Okay, get retracement into a 5-minute gap and this high here gets run. We get a good 2-minute inversion here, which we can take shots from, because I can see it's a 15-minute gap holding, 5-minute gap holding, 1 hour going lower. Well, it's not the best entry or best trade at all, but we might try the entries, something like this, probably targeting like this low here or this one. But I think I'll take break this because this is not like the usual inversion model trade. Okay, so the way it's respecting these POIs, I think I would take it anyways. This is the 930 low, by the way, so it's a liquidity low. Hey, 3R, that's too much for me, but let's try it either way. So 9 micros sell towards that low. So stop will be at the high here, then take profit at this low. All we gotta do is just sit and wait for a stop out or a melt lower, and it looks like it's gonna be a stop out. Yep, we are out. Bang, come on. Yeah, now we're done. Okay, if this 5-minute inverses, this will be the craziest trap of all time. You know, it's building up buy side liquidity here. It might be about to run these lows, then run higher. That's something that's very, very possible. Okay, looks like we're heading towards this low here, and rumor is ES is really, really close to that low, so it might reach it first. But one thing I can notice is that we are at 12, so I'd rather close this position because it's already lunch hour, but it would have been a good one. You can see that it ends up trying to go lower, and let's see if it hits. We'll take profit. Okay, it's dropping around, but it's really it was really close. Yeah, it's a crazy consolidation. Let's go to the next day. Okay, so yesterday was a crazy generational drop day. I think we can take some shots today as well because it looks somewhat bearish to like this previous daily low. I want to check the 4-hour. We have a rejection in this gap here. Now the 1 hour. I think it's going lower, to be honest, because there is this thing here in the 1 hour. Run on these highs here and small gap here. So let's see if we can find sell confluences, but there's also a bearish gap here, a bullish gap here that's holding. So we have a couple of confluences against us, so I'd like to see what the open would do, like maybe run the highs, then we deliver lower. Banger right here, create a very beautiful inversion. It's too early into the open, but I think this is a very good run. I want to check the 15-minute. You can see that we have a run in the highs, and it's not an SMT, but we can target this low here. It's very obvious, London low, and yeah, that would basically be it. So shorts in right there, stop at the high, take profit at this low here for 1.5R, and that will be 47 times 2, which will be 594, literally close to 5 micros sell. So I sell 5 micros here, and stop will be at this high. Actually, I might put it there, take profit at this low, take profit at this low here, and I might add like 2 here. Alright, all we gotta do is wait, because we might get cooked soon. Yep, right now. Oh, come on, we were so close to getting cooked, so close. I'd say that was by luck, to be honest. Okay, we trailed to break even there. Oh, come on, get stopped out, break even. then the price ends up heading to our take profit target. Wow. And it does at 10.25. So did I trail early? I don't think I trailed early though. I don't know, maybe it's just random data, because this literally happened to me today in today's markets. I'm not sure, should I wait for these gaps to get respect? I really don't know what to do here. Because this was absolutely random. Like, this doesn't happen every single time. So there's one thing that I can do here though. I can target low hanging fruits, but the problem is if I target like this here, then my stop will be kicked in like that. So either way we get chopped up. I'm checking the 1 hour. Well, we're still out bearish, and we are having a crazy generational drop. I think maybe we might get another entry opportunity here, like a retracement into a 15-minute gap, get around on this high, then an inversion and a generational drop. So this here was also another entry. You can see it's a good 5-minute gap here, and we have an inversion right here targeting this low, so you can take shorts towards the low right here. Stop at the high, 23 points, that's 546, which is 11 macros. So I sell at the high, then take profit at the low. And take profit gets hit for 1k on this day. So beautiful drop on the day, and we're having like a retracement in the 5, not a 15-minute. 5-minute is retracing into a gap. Nope, I felt there's no retracement in the 5-minute. Well, there is. Okay, is there like an inversion? No, gap to be inversed, but price drops either way. Well, that was really great there. Let's go to the next day. Price is dropping like crazy. Yesterday dropped to these lows, could have even made more. Now have these lows close here, have a very crazy 1 hour inversion. I think these highs are really crazy targets that will get hit. Then if price is bearish, then it would continue lower. So it runs buy side, then continues lower. That's what I think that could happen for this day. But as of now, there might probably get a run on these Asia highs. Okay, that was about to be a good open. Okay, get around the Asia highs and price shoots even higher. I'd love to see it start reversing lower. Okay, very good 2-minute inversion. 15 minutes is not looking that good. The 1 hour and the 4 hour I think would reject. So if it does, actually this is looking good. So if it does, then I target like this 930 opening low right here for a few points short. Take profit will be at this low here and then stop at the high. So we have around about 80. So we'll do 6 micros here. Then take profit at this low here. We are about to get cooked here. We are cooked. 5-minute looks like it wants to hold. But if we can inverse this 5-minute here, then we will be good. Okay, about to get inversed. Oh, come on. It fails to inverse it all this time, so we are absolutely getting cooked. And it's also the 5-minute gap holding, so we are absolutely getting cooked here. Yeah, I expected it anyways because of this here. And also a 15-minute gap, so it made sense that it could go higher. how will the 4 hour closed bullish obviously, and then the next candle is also looking to go higher, so it's not bad. Let's see if we can get some longs in. Okay, get around on this low here, 15-minute gap retracement, and then an inversion. You can see it was a good run to the upside, even though it ends up flipping lower. So retracing here. So where should the entry be in? You can enter here, target this high here, and then put the stop at the low. That's 540, which is 12 micros. Stop at the low, then take profit at the high. Okay, so the bearishness continues. I think I might look for some new daily lows. 4 hour, I think we might use some saturation. There's a good gap here holding. 1 hour, nothing much going on. I'd like to see some reasons to short this thing. I'd like to see like a standard deviation target, so let's see if we can get some. Okay, we have here and here. Get around on this high, not on this one, just this one, and 930 high, and we're rejecting a 15-minute gap. Also, okay, close to a 1 hour gap, so you might target these lows here for a small 1-to-1, very obvious target, short. So there's a possibility that these gaps are here could also hold, but they are not higher time frame gaps, so I wouldn't be worried about them. Let's just see where this goes. 8 micros short. The stop will be at the high, and take profit will be at this low here. Banger right there, and then it might even melt to these lows here. I would like to see it do so. Yeah, that's a crazy trap. You can see it ends up delivering to the lows that I was saying. So either way, I was correct. Okay, so good PA this day, 27th of Feb. Let's go to the next day. The bearishness continues, and we have already hit this low here. I mean, this was the 2022 crash. Literally every day there was a short opportunity. This low here has been hit. We might hit new low of the day or continue to more daily lows, such as that one. It's more obvious to me. And this low here has already been run by ES. We can even target this one here as well if the shorts persist. The 4 hour has a gap here, 1 hour, nothing. So I'd like to mark this here because it could be a point of liquidity as of now. I think just look for reasons to short it, like this 1 hour inversion here. So this is an obvious target, as I was saying. So let's see if you can get some reasons to short this right at the open. Market runs higher, running this high. It looks like it doesn't want to drop anytime soon, but it just did. I wonder, there is no 1 minute, no 2 minute, no 3 minute. Crazy. All we can get is this, and aside from that we have a crazy rejection. So I'd like to see it drop to this 930 opening low, so be in for short positions. Simple 1-to-1 will be something like this. This will be 130 will be 4 micros short. We are getting stopped out here. So retracement into the gap, and okay, now start melting lower. Oh, that was a crazy retracement high. I think it's because ES has already run the target, it doesn't want to move lower then we get stopped out right at the next candle. So this is something I would expect because ES had already hit the targets anyways. Man, this was some trippy ass PA. So when did ES hit the targets? Right here. Very bad PA this time. Go to the new day. You can see closed bullish and then daily retraced into this gap here. Now checking the 4 hour, and the 4 hour actually. 4 hour inverse the gap here, but I like to see shorts because the daily looks bullish and we're having a very good retracement. 1 hour inversion, 1 hour, and a couple of retracements. So I'd like to trade it like it's in a range instead of trying to guess where it's going to. And just wait. Okay, get a adjustment to the 15-minute gap, run on the lows, then 2 minute versus right here, and have a low hanging fruit here and a London high there. So I might as well just take some longs towards this high for 100 points. That's a little bit too much, but it's okay. And then we take just 5 micros long, targeting for a 2.1 hour. Okay, let's just wait and see. Yeah, we are about to get cooked here. Yeah, we are done. Yeah, we are cooked now. Yeah, that was so expected. Okay, I'd like to see how the 4 hour closed. 4 hour closed indecisively. 1 hour closed somewhat bearish. I mean the one on close bearish, you can see how this gap here was holding. So let's see if we can find some sell opportunities to like maybe this low here. Well, that's some crazy drop inside the gap. Looks like price doesn't want to move. Yeah, okay. Looks like the bullishness is persisting, so we're gonna long it to like a daily gap, or just a daily high. Okay, the 1 hour gap here that's holding. So we have London lows here as well. Let's see where we can long this thing from. Okay, market opens. I'd like to see if we can run this low here, but it fails to. What just happened here? 3rd March. I wonder what's happening. Give me a second. Ami, recording ka byakunze? So this was a crazy explosion to the upside, and I don't know where it came from because it looks like, ooh, that was crazy. So we have a 5-minute retracement lower, and I think we might target these highs here for longs after this beautiful inversion. So long 2-minute inversion, targeting these highs here. The inversion is kind of inside here, and the stop will be like 50 points for 5 macros again. Take profit of this high here. Okay, now we're going to just sit and wait for us to get stopped out or to make some money, which it looks like we are getting stopped out. This is crazy. If it breaks structure here, then we can trail, but it fails to, so we are done here. We are about to get stopped out in 3, 2, 1. We are, oh come on, what kind of consolidation is this? And they all failed to break structure to go to the high. So yeah, either ways I expected to get stopped out here anyways. So it's like it was generating liquidity relatively equal lows, so something very expected. New day. I'm checking the 4 hour. We had small retracement lower. I think price is probably about to continue higher today, because well, we have burst a couple daily gaps and 4 hour gaps. I'd like to see it continue higher, and the 1 hour also is moving higher with a couple of inversions. So even if it's slow, maybe you can take some slow moves towards like this low hanging fruit right here. So I think longs might play out today. Okay, we have New Year's in 12 minutes. Okay, now right at the open we get a run on this low here, but I still don't think that will be a very good place to long it. Okay, then we get a run on these lows here. It's not a 15-minute gap, neither is it a 1 hour, but it's a small 2 hour gap there. I like to take longs. I think we might flip bias depending on how this 4 hour closes. 4 hour is closing so bearish that I wouldn't try to short it now. Then we get a run. Okay, it's not a run higher, not a POI, so it's insane. But now we get a tap into the 5. Okay, so close. Okay, now this is retracement into the 15-minute gap, literally embracing it. Then market fails to go lower as I would have loved to see it go. But you can see that we run this high here and market literally starts going lower. So if I target like this 15-minute high, 15-minute low here, so you have a very beautiful inversion here. So I might enter at this rejection here, stop at this highs here, and take profit at the low here for 12 points. So targeting the rejection high because I still am convinced that the market could go lower here, but this might be a mistake as well. So let's see how it goes. Let's fail to move 80% of the move. Okay, there we go. Very beautiful move into the 15-minute low. Then market rejects and continues higher, I believe. Okay, fails to do so, and then get displacement lower. So very beautiful move. Let's go to the next day. Let's see with the, okay, we're actually trading consolidation, so I'll be trading like we are in a range, obviously, and that obviously means like this high here and this low here. Checking the 1 hour, we have we like to see the Asia highs here, so I think we can trade in the range of Asia highs and this previous daily lows. So Wednesday lows, and this will be the range we'll be trading in, and see which one gets hit first for us to target the other. Okay, okay, well, at the open we get a run higher. I'd love to see it run here, but it failed to do so. One thing I can see that is that ES didn't hit this high, so ES might hit it at a later point in time. can see that also. Can also see that NQ hit this cap here. So maybe if it starts rejecting lower, then you can take some good shorts off of it. Okay, here's the inversion right there. 15-minute closed bullish, which is not that good, but we have a good SMT here, and it's a 1 hour gap, so we might target these lows here, and most importantly the 9:30 opening low right here. So we'll take 8 micros short. It's 8 minutes till the new year. This is stop at this high. Long, I mean, we're still there. Wow, that was close to stop. Okay, I can't believe ES is going so fast. The ES, I mean the NQ hasn't even thought of reaching here. Well, I think it's a new kind of open here, and looking at it, looks like we're gonna get either chopped up or stopped out. Yeah, right there. So it failed to hit this candle here. So I was longing against the 5-minute gap. How bold of me. Now the 1 hour and 4 hours still rejecting. You can see it right here. Yeah, this candle is still rejecting. Checking the 15. We'll still have some SMTs obviously. So I'd like to short it here again with this impression in mind. Shorts will be in right here. Stop at this high here, and then we'll target where's the 9:30 low. Has also been run, so probably a 15-minute gap. I'll target that, but we don't have any, so this kind of 5-minute gap for winning day, I'd say. That's 27 times 2, and that's 500 over 54, giving us around 9 micros short. Okay, we'll stop at this high here and then take profit at this low. Let's see what we can hit today. Yeah, we are cooked. We are cooked. The way it's moving, even though there are those legs, but so sick and cooked. Yeah, we're done here. Look at the way it retraced that much energy here. Yeah, now we are done, I believe. That took long than I thought. Let's go to the new day. Looks like March is gonna be a hot month, but bearishness continues. 4 hour, we have some previous daily lows. The one target, and checking the 1 hour, we have a gap here that got retraced into. Now let's see where the open heads to before we can take any longs. Okay, opening was crazy, running this high here, and ES didn't do the same thing, but I still would like to short on the next inversion. Ow. Okay, 15-minute closed somewhat suspiciously. Okay, now you get a 2-minute inversion here, and the 5-minute also was close to impressing, but it's a good 1 hour candle. Looks like a good 1 hour candle. I think we can take these points to what this low here. Let's see what we can do about it. So we take shorts from here, take profit at this low here, stop at somewhere there. That will be 11 micros short for 1.5 hour. Oh, Wow, literal DD candle. Okay, let's just go to the next day. This is not the day I would like to trade. Now, it is 3 minutes till the New Year's. Wow. Very crazy meltdown here. Let's continue back testing even though it's 3 minutes till the New Year. Wow. It's been a crazy move. Buying was a crazy move. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, 2 minutes till the New Year's, guys. Checking the 1 hour. Well, 9th March. I don't know what happened here because it looks like it wasn't trading at all. Why was this? I think CME was closed or something like that. Now the new day it raced higher, and well, I would like to see it reject this 4 hour gap and continue lower. Will depend on what it will show me at the open because we're trading in some kind of range. We have the Asia lows right here, so I think we might trade towards those Asia lows. So let's see what happens at the open, and we can take some shorts lower. We didn't get any liquidity around though. So the 4 hour closed so bearish. 1 hour, same thing. So I think the next candle will also be bearish. We get a run on this high here, then market drops lower, then you get a run at the 930 highs here and an SMT with the ES. So if you can get an inversion here, it would be really great, which we get one on the 2 minute inversing right here. We have an SMT with the 930 highs right here. Very crazy SMT. I would like to tell you like a 15-minute low, but there is none. Maybe like a 5-minute low, probably like this one here or here. Don't want too huge targets. So this wouldn't be A plus. We don't have a clear draw. Don't think we have a clear draw actually. And this is a 5 minutes, so it might get cooked. And bang! It's a new year. It's a new year, guys. And we're back testing. We started 2026 while back testing. Either way, let's just continue. This will be 8 micros short. Welcome to 2026, guys. Okay, so my stop will be at this high here, then take profit at this low here. Ah, come on, bro. Literally every single time. So we are getting cooked. And right after getting stopped out, market directly drops. It melts to my take profit. Wow. This is literal pain. It's literal pain. I hope 2026 doesn't become like this. Let's head on to the next day. Now give me a sec, guys. Okay, let's see if we can get anything from this bearishness. Looks like there's a gap here that's still holding, so we might get some good shorts even though there is a very crazy consolidation. So I'd like to see it consolidate pre-market rather than say it consolidate when the market has already opened. So I'd like to see head lower since we are bearish. By the time frame grows, we have relatively equal highs here, so maybe it runs them, then delivers lower, but I'd like to see overall expansion to the downside. Now right at the open, market opens higher, running a couple of highs actually, then drops lower, creating a very beautiful 1 minute inversion on this gap here. Keep in mind this 940, and we have a run on this high here, so we might as well take some shorts, targeting this low here for a low hanging fruit. 5 micros just, then we short it. Let's see if we can get it to that low. So stop will be at this high here, take profit at this low. Yeah, chopped up, we are gonna get cooked here. Get a good retracement into this gap here. I would have loved it to see it. I would have loved to see it hold, but it looks like it doesn't want to hold because of the 5 minute, and it gets stopped out right away. So we are on a crazy losing streak at sea. I think we have now an under 50 win rate. Let's check it. Wow, we have destroyed the win rate, man. Okay. Okay, still think longs could be good. I mean, shorts could be good on the day. Very crazy consolidation. We will go to the next one. The next one is an absolute meltdown because nothing was still going lower. Now I'd like to see have like any draws higher. Well, there's one here. It's a 1 hour high, I believe, right here. That was a crazy one. Let's go to the next day here. Okay, well, price ends up dropping to this low here. I'm gonna check the weekly. I think this is the farthest that price could go. Wow. Price was around this low here. There's also this one, and I think Tradesel has data until 2019. That's insane. Or maybe it's because I selected 2020, so they can't get any data. Oh come on, what is happening here? Let's go to the next day as well. I mean, is anything wrong with these days? Okay, new day. Okay, maybe we might get a normal day. Okay, 4 hours kind of dropping. Now checking the 1 hour. Oh, we had, I don't know what these candles here are, but I think prices went lower today. What is this? Okay, looks like relatively equal highs, but let's see what we can do about prices on this day here. Okay, direct run higher right at the open. And then we get a good 2 minute inversion. See it right here. So I think I'm gonna target this and this in shorts. Probably something like this. Hey, big stop, bro. Might take 50 points. Targeting like all the way to this low here. let's see if we can take some shots towards that low. Now the stop will be at this high here. Take profit at this low. Now the fact that this low here has been run shows me that price could reject any time, and it absolutely does that. Fails to run this low here. Banger. So break evens here would have been hit, but I'm very sure mine would also be there as well. I'm very confident about that. That's why I say break evens hurt more than full losers. And that's right even before the next 4-hour candle open. Check the 1 hour. Well, the 4 hour it's dropping, so I think it's like gonna retrace to like a high time frame, to like a 5-minute PDRA, then start dropping, I believe. I know. Let's see what it's up to. Okay, it looks like it was heading for this Retalico highs and Asia highs as well. Let's push to the next day, and let me also remove this and zoom this out because it's no longer that relevant now. We have this straight line here that I don't know what its meaning. Let's go to the next day. Did you hear that? Bijya kuri convention babiturikije. Next year tuzaba twarakize tuzajyayo. Yego. Hari ikibazo se? Okay, I'd like to continue with the shorts, but it looks like, well, I don't have any more data, but I think shorts could be good here. Now we are literally consolidating. I would like to see what happens here. That's a very crazy 4-hour close and 1-hour close as well. Why is it lagging? I would love to see it like probably deliver higher, because it's showing some potential opportunity for longs.
Happy New Year.
Right now I wonder where this thing is going. Okay, this is a very crazy consolidation there. I'd like to push it to the next day and see where it goes. Wow. March was not a really good month, I'd say. Okay, I have a good S&T here. I think I might put it lower towards the Asian lows. Where are they? I think it's heading all the way to these Asian lows, but I'd like to see if we can have like the low hanging fruit target. Let's see what we can get out of it here. Stop at this high here, 50 points. Man, it's moving way too many points in the day. So this will be the last trade of this session. Stop at this high here, then take profit at this low.